Experian Boost is a free service offered by Experian that allows you to add positive payment history for utility bills, phone bills, and other non-traditional credit accounts to your credit report. This can potentially boost your credit score, especially for those with thin or no credit history. To use Experian Boost, you need to connect your bank account to the Experian website or mobile app, and then select the eligible accounts you want to add to your credit report. Experian will then review your payment history and add the positive payments to your credit report. The key concept behind Experian Boost is that it allows you to take control of your credit score by adding new positive information to your credit report. This can be especially helpful for people who have limited or no credit history, as it gives them a way to demonstrate their creditworthiness. For example, if you have been paying your utility bills on time for the past year, you can use Experian Boost to add this positive payment history to your credit report. This can help to improve your credit score and make you more attractive to lenders. To get the most out of Experian Boost, it is essential to make sure you are making on-time payments for all your accounts. You should also monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that the information is accurate and up to date. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you only add accounts that you have been paying on time, as late payments can harm your credit score. You should also be aware that Experian Boost only works with certain types of accounts, such as utility bills and phone bills. Overall, Experian Boost can be a valuable tool for improving your credit score, especially for those with limited or no credit history. By following the steps outlined above and making sure you are making on-time payments, you can use Experian Boost to take control of your credit score and improve your financial health.